Today I will show you unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. I brought it from Russia and its original Vietnam version. Now open the box. Here we got our Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Gold version. Now step aside and have a look at the accessories first. So this is the user manual, and also we got a SIM injector in it. And here we got, wow, here we got a USB connector, OTG cable, nice. And here we got a fast charging cable, and here we got a adaptive fast charging charger. And here are the earphones. Let's open it and have a look. This box is very stiff. So these are our earphones jack, Samsung original hand frees. Now have a look at the device. First we remove these covers. And here is our elegant Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Gold. At the front we got a 5 megapixel HD camera, earpiece and sensors. At the bottom we got fingerprint sensor, and at the right side we got power key, and at the left side we got volume rockers. At the top we got noise cancellation mic and a SIM injector. At the bottom we got a 3.5 mm audio jack, USB Type-C connector, a mic and a speaker. At the back we got a Samsung branding, and it is of glass, and it's a duos version. And we got a 12 megapixel HD camera with LED flash and sensors.